In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to delete posts in Facebook. So let's get started. So first you want to open up any browser. In my case, I'm using Brave browser. Then you want to search up facebook.com and click enter. So once you're in this page, you want to go and click your profile. So once you're in your profile, you want to scroll down and you want to click this button, this logo. And here you want to click activity log, this option. So once you're here, you'll see this option called your posts. So click the drop down arrow, and as you can see here, this option will appear photos and videos. So you want to click it, and here is my latest post. So I can delete it by selecting it and trash and move to trash. So right now it's completely deleted. I want to delete from the trash also. So you wanna scroll down and go to trash option. As you can see, it has been moved to the trash. So you wanna select it and then click delete. So it's gonna take some time. So as you can see, it has been deleted from the trash also. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.